Hey everyone, welcome back. In our last video, we explored the top 15 healthiest countries in the world. Today, we're diving into the top 15 unhealthiest countries around the globe. It's important to understand the factors contributing to poor health in these regions. Are you curious to find out the unhealthiest countries? Let's start. At number 15, we have Afghanistan. Poverty, natural disasters, and poor eating choices have resulted in unhealthy diets in Afghanistan. There, 1 in 3 children under the age of 5 is malnourished. At number 14, we have Democratic Republic of the Congo. Years of armed conflicts and the lack of formal economic opportunities, combined with high rates of malnutrition, illness, and poor education, has made the Democratic Republic of the Congo one of the unhealthiest countries in the world. At number 13, we have Guinea-Bissau. In this West African country, access to healthcare, food, and clean drinking water remains precarious. Also, most health facilities lack adequate equipment and have poor quality services. At number 12, we have Equatorial Guinea. Sadly, poor sanitation and ineffective infection control create a risk of exposure to diseases like diarrhea, malaria, and tuberculosis in Equatorial Guinea. This has increased infant mortality, as 20% of children die before the age of 5. At number 14, we have Nigeria. Poor diets are also damaging children's health in Nigeria, as 5 of 10 children under the age of 5 are malnourished. However, malaria is the most significant public health problem in Nigeria. At number 10, we have Angola. Widespread poverty, political unrest, and a lack of adequate medical services are some of the reasons for Angola being one of the unhealthiest countries in the world. Malaria remains one of the biggest public health problems. At number 9, we have Guinea. The major public health concerns in Guinea are AIDS, tuberculosis, and malaria. Also, inadequate sanitation and unhygienic conditions contribute to increased infant mortality. At number 8, we have Liberia. In Liberia, hospitals and medical facilities are poorly equipped. Malaria is the leading cause of outpatient visits and the number 1 cause of death in hospitalized patients. At number 7, we have Eswatini. Formerly Swaziland is burdened by a high prevalence of HIV infection and AIDS, tuberculosis, and other communicable diseases. At number 6, we have Sierra Leone. The country has long struggled with some of the world's worst health outcomes, including infant and maternal mortality, malaria, and diarrheal diseases. At number 5, we have Somalia. Conflict and instability in Somalia have had a detrimental effect on the population, including in their healthcare provision. Widespread famine has put millions of people at risk of severe malnutrition and outbreaks of diseases such as cholera and measles. At number 4, we have Lesotho. The country has some of the highest HIV and tuberculosis rates in the world. Also, many of Lesotho's 2.2 million residents live in remote villages that are hours away from the nearest health facility. At number 3, we have Chad. The country has regularly records cases of malaria, measles, meningitis, yellow fever, and cholera. Inappropriate family practices and poor access to basic social services are main factors keeping vulnerable groups deprived. At number 2, we have South Sudan. Most South Sudanese lack access to essential health services, safe water, and sanitation. 1 in every 10 children dies before they turn 5, and the rate of maternal death is one of the highest in the world, roughly 1,223 per 100,000 births. At number 1, we have Central African Republic. In the shadow of conflict, the Central African Republic has suffered with a decades-long health crisis. The unhealthiest country in the world, diseases such as malaria, tuberculosis, HIV, and AIDS are all major concerns. Due to the lack of clean water, waterborne diseases such as typhoid and diarrhea are also common. We've explored the 15 healthiest and unhealthiest countries in the world, revealing some surprising insights along the way. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Sid's Curiosphere for more captivating content, and let me know in the comments which country surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.